Hello and welcome to this video. My name is David Samuje. So today I'm going to be making a typography t-shirt design, a quote like t-shirt design. So to do that, I'm going to be using an app called WhatSwag. It's available on Android, on Play Store. If you're using iPhone, you can get um, Typorama. Typorama is for iPhones, WhatSwag, Android. So if you're using Android, you can use WhatSwag. If you're using iPhone, you can use Typorama. So I'm going to go through now. I'm going to show you how to create a simple text-based t-shirt design. This t-shirt design can be used for passive income. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you don't click off of this video if you are just joining me for the first time and the subscribe button is red. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that it turns gray. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight right to it. So I'm going to click on the double paper, not the camera logo, the other one on your right, which is the double paper. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to save that. I'm going to create my design. So I'll just click on that. So I'll click on the transparent background part of it. So I'll click on that. So you see it says background logo. We don't need that. We just click on OK. So I'm just going to change that to the one I normally use, which is this one. So I'm just going to reduce that. So I'm going to double tap on it and I'm going to double tap again to highlight all and delete that. So this one is going to say anger is complicated. Anger is complicated. Anger is complicated, but not with coffee. So it's as simple as that. Then I'm going to press OK and close. So as you see, it gives you different option. You can just scroll through and just pick whatever you want. It's up to you. Whatever you want. But for me, as you can see, different options. You can just scroll through and just pick one for yourself. You can use this if you want. So you can use this if you want, or use this other one. It's up to you. Whatever you want to use is up to you. So once you're done and you're happy with the ones you already have set up, you can just go over and click on save. But for me, I'll just keep scrolling because I want it more. Okay, I can use this. I'll just click on save in the top right corner. Click on save and it's going to save your design. So once your design is saved, just wait for it. Okay, now it tells you pick successfully saved. Click on OK. So once you have that saved, now you can just go over to sites like Teespring, Redbubble, TeePublic, Match by Amazon, upload your designs and you are good to go. Just make sure you title it properly. So that your design can be seen. And you can make as much as you want a day. Just go around, I already have a video, if you scroll down, show you how to get good designs and all. But with that said, you can just go over and create about 50 designs a day, upload all of them, and in no time you start making sales and you start making passive income from print on demand. So if you enjoyed this simple video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you've not done that already, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed.